Hi viewers, welcome to our YouTube video where we embark on a journey to transform your outdoor space into an enchanting oasis with the captivating allure of tropical flower pots. Join us as we explore the vibrant world tropical plants, discover the art of selecting the perfect flower pots, and learn how to create a paradise that brings the tropics right to your doorstep. Number 1. Embarrassing tropical flora. Escape to a tropical paradise without leaving your home by embracing the beauty of tropical plants. Their lush foliage, vibrant colors, and unique textures instantly transport you to sun-soaked Iceland. From majestic palms to exotic orchids, tropical flora adds a sense of drama and intrigue to any garden. By incorporating tropical flower pots, you can showcase these remarkable plants, elevating the ambiance and infusing your outdoor space with a touch of exotic charm. Number 2. Selecting the perfect flower pots. Choosing the right flower pots is crucial to create an authentic tropical atmosphere. Opt for pots that reflect the vibrancy of a tropics, such as bold, bright colors or intricate patterns. Consider materials like ceramic or terracotta for their durability and ability to retain moisture. Additionally, ensure the pots have proper drainage to maintain the health of your plants. Experiment with different sizes and shapes to add visual interest and create dynamic composition that mimic mimic the lush diversity to tropical landscapes. Number 3. Designing a tropical paradise. Designing your tropical oasis goes beyond selecting the right flower pots. Create layers of foliage by mixing plants of varying height and textures. Incorporate bold statement plants as focal points such as elephant ears or bird paradise and complement them with cascading vines or delicate ferns. Play the contrasting color and leaf shapes to evoke the rich tapestry of tropical ecosystem. By carefully arranging your tropical flower spots and plants, you can create a lush and immersive environment that transport you to a tranquil haven. Caring for tropical plants. To maintain the health and vitality of your tropical oasis, it is essential to provide proper care for your plants. Pay attention to their specific light and humidity requirements, ensuring they receive adequate sunlight and moisture. Regularly fertilize to promote lush growth and vibrant blooms. Consider creating a microclimates within your garden to mimic the tropical environment, such as using a mulch to retain moisture or mixing plant to increase humidity. With proper care and attention, your tropical flowers pots will thrive, transforming your outdoor space into a breathtaking paradise. Conclusion. Unleash the captivating allure of tropical flower pots and create a haven of lush greenery and vibrant colors right in your own backyard. By embracing tropical flora, selecting the perfect flower pots, and designing your space thoughtfully, you can transport yourself to a tropical oasis where the beauty of nature intertwines with your imagination. Get ready to embark on a journey of botanical splendor and create an exotic paradise like no other. Thank you for watching our video.